Today I am aboard Lady Marea, a 94-foot Lazzara yacht from 2001 that is for sale. So I'm gonna take you inside and we're gonna take a look. So we start here at the aft deck. We have this beautiful lounge area with plenty of seating to entertain. We have a bar where you can have some cold drinks for your friends. And now we go into the salon and we have a beautiful living room with wood finishings. This boat was completely refit in 2017. So it got a fresh coat of paint in the outside. It has new hydraulics. The motors were rebuilt. And the finishings on the inside are also new. So we're going into the day head now, which is very practical to have the head right here next to the living room. And now we're gonna go up to see the raised pilot house. This has Garmin equipment, new screens, everything is up to date, all the best technology. And now the fly bridge is where the fun happens. It's a beautiful space to host a party, to have some music. We have another helm here with 19-inch Garmin screens. And we have a barbecue, a sink, a refrigerator, an ice maker, everything you need. Plenty of sitting space, you can see. And a beautiful hot tub that can be covered into a tanning bed. And here's the dinghy as well. So it's a beautiful place to enjoy time with your loved ones. Now we're gonna go back down and we're gonna see the rest of the boat. So here we have the galley. It's a country kitchen, wood finishings, a new refrigerator, which was also added in the refit. Very nice open space. We have another dining area here. And now we're gonna go down to see the staterooms. First we have the master stateroom, which has a nice sized bed, a little desk, a big flat screen TV, a lot of closet space, and this bathroom is beautiful. It's a his and hers bathroom, so it has one toilet and sink on each side, and they share the shower and the tub. And now we're gonna see the other staterooms. Each stateroom has their own bathroom and TV, twin-size beds, and we have 3 staterooms like this with the twin beds, plus the master stateroom. So there's 4 staterooms, which means you can have 8 people sleeping. Plus, of course, there's the crew quarters, which sleep 4 more people. And now we're gonna see the formal dining area. This table is expandable. It can seat 8 people. It has 2 additional chairs in the storage. And that's about it. This is Lady Marea for you. So if you have any questions, if you want to come and take a look at the boat, please call me and I'll be happy to help you.